Hey, I'd like to introduce you to Phone Soap 3, the latest and greatest phone soap. When you receive your phone soap, it'll come in a box like this. Using your teeth or a sharp blade, cut the box across the dotted line and it'll flip right open. Inside the box, you'll find the phone soap right here. Above the phone soap, behind this cardboard flap, you'll find the power adapter. Inside the phone soap, you'll find the instructions, with an included microfiber pad for cleaning up smudges. Step 1, take your power adapter, plug it into the wall. Step 2, take the barrel jack end of the power adapter and plug it into the phone soap, like this. Step 3, open your phone soap. Inside you'll find these two ultra-powerful UVC lights for killing germs. And this reflective coating bounces the light around inside so it gets in all the nooks and crannies. Go ahead and put your phone inside the phone soap like this and close the lid. This blue light turns on, indicating that your phone is being sanitized. After 10 minutes, this light turns off and you can pick up your phone. But what if there's a case on my phone? That's okay. The case is the part you touch, so that's the part you want cleaned. Leave it on. Phone Soap 3 is also a charger. In fact, it has two charging ports, one USB and one USB-C. For example, you can charge your phone and your smartwatch at the same time. Phone Soap was designed to be super easy to use. In fact, it's part of a habit that you already have. Just plug your phone in at night before you go to bed. When you wake up in the morning, your phone won't only be charged, but it'll be germ-free.